Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a responsible navigation menu friendly for beginners. Let's get right into it.
Alright, so first we start off with our HTML elements. Header, logo, class of logo, say logo right there. You're gonna make a hamburger menu, so div with the class of hamburger. Then span with the class of line, and also class of that times 3. Get the neat, and then we'll have our nav. Just links. Home. You don't go nowhere. About services. Content. Okay. Let's go live. Let's see how that looks. It's gonna look awful. So that's it there. So let's start off with the hamburger menu. Before that, let's do some cleaning up. What I like to do is I move all the styling on everything, because it's really annoying, sometimes. Just seeing padding that you don't need. So padding 0, margin 0, box sizing, border box. Okay, that's too bright for me. Body background of black. Background color black. Head color white. Let's remove that ugly styling on the anchor tag. Wheat does look nice. Okay, style our logo. Make it a bit bigger. Font size. Let's say 30 pixels. Font weight, bold. Okay, that font is ugly. Let's change that. Font family. That looks nice. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. The hamburger menu. The hamburger width of 40 pixels. Height 40 pixels. Display flex direction of column, justify content, space around. Okay, and then let's go to the line with 100%, height say 5 pixels, background color of white. Okay, let's go back to our header. Display flex direction. No, we don't need that. Just define content, space between, and the line items center. Let's give it a height of like 10. Okay, and we don't need the hamburger right now. No, before we get to that, let's make the line, eat the individual line salad. So let's rename that to line 1, line 2, line 3. So line 1 active is gonna transform it, translate. Now let's say 10 pixels, 0 pixels, minus 10. Why is that not? Okay, I need to give it. Let's just limit to line 1 for now. We'll change that later. Minus 10. Okay. Line 2, make that invisible. Line 3, same thing. Just copy that. Minus, maybe let's try 12. Yeah, it's better. Then you rotate it. Rotate, let's say 45 degrees. Okay. And the same thing for this one. They got minus 45 degrees. Let's make that maybe 11, 18. Yeah, it's better. Okay. Change that to active, so that's not what it's gonna look like normally. Okay. What we do then is make this invisible, so at media, screen, and min width of 768 pixels, I think it was, for the iPads. We're gonna make the hamburger invisible. Or display none. So let's just resize that, and it's gone. Okay. Let's give it the logo width of, let's say, 40%. Then the nav, let's go below that. Nav width 60%. Check that. We need to style that also. So display, flex. Justify content space between, yeah. See that? Okay. Let's get some padding on the parent header. So padding 0, should 30 pixels. That's a bit better. Change that to space around. Where you nav. Okay, yeah. So we're done with the desktop version. Okay, yeah, looks nice. Let's go to the mobile version. So we do create a meter screen and max width. So anything below the width of 767 pixels. We're gonna make the header wrap. Header, flex, wrap. So it pushes anything excessive down to the next line. So let's style the nav, flex direction column. width 50%, height 90 vertical height, justify content, space around, yeah, and hold on, there's line items, yeah. We're just gonna change the logo, hamburger, say cursor, pointer. So when I hover over it, it changes to that clickable version. Alright. So let's move that nav back. Let's make a class. Nav dot nav inactive transform translate nothing of minus 100% on the X and nothing on the Y. Just give it the class to check. Make sure we keep this in the media query so it doesn't affect the desktop version. Okay. Now we just need to connect everything. So we use JavaScript. Let hamburger equals document dot query selector. I think I call it hamburger. Yeah. You're gonna let the menu equals to the nav. Nav. And then you're just gonna collect the lines. Line 1. Selected. Line 1. Paste that 3 times. Line 2. Line 3. And line 3. So hamburger, not add event listener. When it's clicked, we want it to run this function. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add those active classes to each of the line, and we're gonna toggle the nav inactive class. So menu dot class list dot toggle nav inactive. See if that works. Okay. I'm gonna add transitions to everything. Line 1 dot class list dot toggle. Line 1 active. CVVV. Right, line 2. Line 2. Line 3. Line 3. Let's check that. Works, okay. So you just need to transition it now. Pretty simple. Line, transition, transform, quarter of a second. Just copy that. Go to our nav. The same thing there. Alright, let's check it out. Beautiful. And it's still perfect on desktop version. Alright, that's your nav menu. See you in a bit.